Ever thought of having breakfast amidst nature and wildlife? You can do just that at the Singapore Zoo and the Mandai Wildlife Reserve, and so much more. Along with 3 other stunning parks, River Wonders, Night Safari, and Bird Paradise, the Singapore Zoo delivers a one-of-a-kind experience. This rainforest zoo is home to 4,200 animals from over 300 species housed in open-concept habitats, where animals like majestic lions and playful primates roam freely. But the Singapore Zoo goes beyond just showcasing animals. It's a globally recognized leader in wildlife conservation, dedicated to sustainable living and protecting the planet. Start your day with breakfast in the wild at Meng Terrace. This unique dining experience offers a delicious spread of local and international flavors, plus photo ops with animal ambassadors. To cover more ground, you can hop on the complimentary tram ride. It's the easiest way to explore zones like Wild Africa, home to lions, giraffes, zebras, and more. And don't miss the Splash Safari presentation at the Shaw Foundation Amphitheater. Watch as the Californian sea lion shows off its amazing skills. This one's a hit with both kids and adults. Kids World is another hit with families, featuring interactive zones like water play and sensory activities along with up-close animal encounters. Before leaving, swing by the Singapore Zoo shop to bring home a memento of your trip. Now, when it comes to tickets, you've got 3 options. The one-park ticket provides full access to the Singapore Zoo, including the tram ride. For a more expanded experience, the 2-park hopper ticket lets you explore the zoo and one of the other wildlife parks, like River Wonders, Bird Paradise, or Night Safari. And for the ultimate adventure, the all-park hopper ticket unlocks access to all 4 parks in the Mandai Wildlife Reserve. So, what are you waiting for? Book your tickets and dive into the wild today.